Hello, good morning everyone. So today we are going to talk about kingship and its characteristics. Kingship means the relationship you have with people, right? Like how what relation I have with my parents. The relationship that is formed because of marriage or blood is called the kingship relation. Kingship relation is one of the most important components of the society. From east to west or north to south, you will find this everywhere in the society. So, kingship relationships are everywhere in the society. You go to America, you go to Europe, you go to anywhere in the world, all the countries have kingship relationships. This social institution ties individuals and group together and establishes a relationship with them. So this particular institution that is there brings together different individuals, meaning different people or different groups together, and establishes meaning forms a relationship between them. સો કિંગશિપ એવી વસ્તુ છે કે જે સોસાયટીના હરેક પાર્ટમાં આપણને દેખાવા મળે છે. ગમે ત્યાં જાઓ તમને કિંગશિપ દેખાશે. અને આ એવું સોશિયલ ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યુશન છે, આ એવી વસ્તુ છે જે લોકોને એકસાથે ભેગા કરે છે, કે ડિફરન્ટ ગ્રુપ્સને એકસાથે લાવે છે. The basic type of bond is marriage or reproduction. Kingship is formed because of marriage, that is when two people get married, or through reproduction, that is by birth. It refers to bunch of relationships and relatives. These are based on blood relationship or marriage. So the relations you have with people or the bond you have with people is based on blood, okay, or by marriage. Definition: the social relationship deriving from blood ties and marriage are referred to kingship. So what is kingship? Kingship is something that is formed or the relationship that is formed by blood or by marriage. Kingship is the recognition of relations between person based on descent or marriage. Descent means પૂર્વજોથી જે આવતું હોય, basically blood. Okay. If the relationship between one person and another is considered by them to involve descent એટલે આપણા, like let's say I am connected to my ફૈબા via descent એટલે મારા પૂર્વજથી હું એમની હારે કનેક્શનમાં છું. So it's a kingship. If the relationship between one person or the another is considered by descent, the two are consanguine, meaning blood relatives. मतलब कि अगर मारू रिलेशन मारा जे फैबा સાથે જે છે, ઓકે, એ બાય બ્લડ છે. કેમ કે અમે લોકો કનેક્ટેડ છીએ થ્રુ પૂર્વજો, અમારા એન્સેસ્ટર્સ, અમારા જે આપણે કહીએ ને મારા દાદાથી અમારું કનેક્શન આવતું છે, એટલે ઇટ્સ અ બ્લડ રિલેશન. If the relationship is established through marriage, it is affinal. Let's say कि tomorrow I go and I get married to someone. The relation I have with this person is through marriage. Then that type of relation, it will be called affinal relation. मतलब मारे एना let's say कि मारा husband ना mother, father, sisters हारे जे connection हसे, it is by marriage. Why? Because I got married to my husband. So that relation will be affinal relations, okay, or marriage relations. And by blood it is called as blood relations. According to Charles Winnick, kingship system may include socially recognized relationship that is based on actual genealogical ties. Genealogical means genetic ties, genes, okay. Characteristics of kingship: sex. Kingship relation is differential in each society on basis of sex. The term brother and sisters show the sex of blood relation. So every kingship has sex. Sex over here means gender. Okay, like my father's son. I will call him brother. My father's daughter, I will call sister. That way, okay. So the term brother and sister comes based on sex, okay, based on what gender the person has. Generation: kingship ties is established between the person in relation to generation. The father and son, grandfather, grandson shows the relation between two generations, okay. So another thing kingship has is generation: first generation, second generation, third generation. That is why we use, for my father I use the term father, for my dada I use the term grandfather, and for me they will use the term daughter or grandson, okay. close relationship or intimacy. It refers to relationship through marriage. It is not based on blood relation. The intimacy or relationship with son-in-law and father's sister's husband is based on close relation or intimacy. Intimacy means closeness. Now next thing we are going to talk about is relationship with marriage. Okay, now relationship with marriage is not by blood. Okay, it is based on closeness. Why will I choose a particular person for marriage? Because I am close to the person. That is why my father will not call my husband son. Okay, why? Because it is not by blood relation, it is by marriage. So that is why my father will call my husband son-in-law. Okay, એટલે આપણે કહીએ ગુજરાતીની અંદર what is it called, જમાઈ. Okay, father's sister's husband मतलब my ફૈબાના husband ne they will call son-in-law. Okay, like my father who is there, okay, મારા ફૈબાના હસબન્ડને son-in-law કહેશે એટલે જમાઈ કહેશે. Okay, that's based on closeness. Blood relation. The kingship based on blood relation is divided into such as lineal and collateral. Close blood relatives in direct line of descent are called lineal relatives. Grandfather, father, son, grandson are the example of lineal relatives. So blood relation ni andar also there is something called as someone you are close with, okay, or you have a very close bond with, and some are durna rishtedar. Okay, so let's say ki people who are directly related like father, grandfather, son, grandson, they are directly related to each other, so those are called as lineal relatives. Okay, and others, okay, like મારા કાકાના છોકરાઓ, okay, કે મારા મોટા બાપુના છોકરાઓ, they will be far off relatives. Why? Because I'm not directly related to them. Division. This basis of kingship is based on division and subdivision. Almost all kingship relatives are divided into two parts. For example, father's father is paternal grandfather and mother's father is maternal grandfather. Similarly, brother's daughter and sister's daughter, son's son, daughter's son are two type of relatives. So we also divide our relatives, right? We say mara father na side thi, mara mother na side thi. So this is what it is. Okay, so there is division of relationship that is there, okay, where it is divided into paternal side. Paternal here means father's side, and maternal side that is related to your mother's side. Okay, binding thread meaning bond. Kingship ties are connected with a linkage. So there is a link in kingship. એવું નથી કે રસ્તા ઉપર કોઈ બી દાદા જાતા હોય હું એને grandfather કહી દઉં. No, there is a link, there is a tie together. The marriage relatives or blood relatives act as a binding thread. Binding meaning unity, together. In other words, binding thread of these relationship is close or intimate blood relations. So when does the bond become stronger? When it is blood relatives. Obviously you will be more closer to your mother rather than your sasu. Okay, that is the fact. So blood relatives are more close, more strong, more united compared to marriage relationships. For example, the relationship of father-in-law is based on relation of binding thread of husband or that of wife. So તમારા સસુર હારે તમારું શું કરવા relationship છે? Because you are married to a person, right? That is why you will call that person's father as sasur or father-in-law. Conclusion. Kingship has several importance in social structure. So in society, kingship is very, very important. Kingship decides who can marry with whom and where marital relationships are a taboo. So kingship, okay, or our blood relatives tell us whom we can marry, whom we cannot marry, whose marriage is a taboo. Taboo એટલે આ ન કરવું જોઈએ. Okay, so our parents or our relatives or blood relatives tell us whom we can marry, whom we can't marry. It determines the right and obligation. Obligation means duties of the members in all sacraments and religious practices from birth to death. તો જ્યારે આપણો જન્મ થાય, આપણી મૃત્યુ થાય, એમાં જે બી વસ્તુ કરવાની હોય, all the things that have to be done when a person is born and when the person dies, all that is done by the members of your kingship. Importance of kingship is observed on the occasion of marriage and family functions. Okay, so in marriage, in family function, importance of closeness, importance of kingship is there.